Okay, so I forgot how to film. It's been a long time. I don't even know what to do. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Annabelle, and today's video has been a long awaited, especially for the people that have been DMing me on Twitter asking me to film. I decided to come back from my long hiatus. I think it's been about a year or two since I last filmed or put anything up. I hadn't really been active on any of my social media platforms for personal reasons and health reasons, and then I was busy with like work and school, so a lot of things have taken priority over that. But now I'm ready to come back to YouTube and start filming for y'all. I'm so excited. I know a lot of people had been DMing me on Instagram, Twitter. They want to see new content from me, and I keep promising that I'm gonna do content, and I never really did. But anyways, I'm back, and today's video is going to be a Sephora haul. So I went to a freestanding Sephora in a larger city that's about maybe 5 hours away from me, because my city does not have a freestanding Sephora, so I wanted the experience. The Sephora here doesn't really carry a lot of things that I wanted, so I had to make the trip, and I think it was worth it. So let's go ahead and get started on the Sephora haul.
Links marked with an asterisk are affiliation links in which I make a very small commission. Feel free to use these links if you would like to support me.
And also I want to do like a quick little segue in case y'all are wondering why my makeup looks so crazy. I was bored. I wanted to do like a Euphoria inspired makeup. This is inspired by Alexis Demi's character Maddie. I actually followed a tutorial from Alex Anel, or Alexandra Anel, I believe that's her name. I'm gonna go ahead and link her video down below. I love her content so much. But today's outfit is kind of based on my queen, Sydney Sweeney here. She is also one of my favorite characters. I love her so much. She's so pretty. Her acting was absolutely amazing in Euphoria. I just wanted to pay homage to the queen here, and then also do some Alexa Demi's inspired makeup. If y'all want like a follow-up video or a story time on why I love social media and kind of what's been going around the background, I'll probably put that out later maybe. I don't think people are that interested in my personal life, so we'll see if I even put that out. I don't even know if it's worth watching. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get started with today's haul. I'm so excited for this. So the first item I have, no surprise, if you've been here a while, you do know that I love eyeshadow so much. I actually wanted this palette when it first came out, but I just never bought it. The reason why I stopped kind of buying makeup at the time was because I was so tired of the FOMO, and I just felt like makeup was oversaturated and it was lackluster. So I really didn't buy much. I was just very over makeup. I didn't really care for it. Now I feel like my love for makeup has reignited, and I actually decided to pick up some of the oldies that already came out. So this is the Mercury Retrograde palette. As I'm filming right now, it's Mercury Retrograde Shadow. So for all my astrology people out there, you know what that means. I honestly should have used this eyeshadow palette for today's look. This looks so pretty. I know it's been out for a long time. I watched a lot of reviews on this and I just had to get it. I actually wanted the Natasha Denona Pastel palette that she came out with, but it's sold out everywhere, and I know it's limited edition, so I don't know if she's going to bring it back. I hope so. So instead I picked up this one, but I honestly would probably like the other one better too, since Euphoria makeup is still very popular like months later. That's the first item I picked up. I love Huda Beauty. She puts out amazing product. I actually picked up a lot of eyeshadows since I hadn't bought much in a long time. If you know me, you know my love for eyeshadows. I love crazy eye makeup. I usually keep my base kind of like simple and plain, my lips kind of plain. Just I guess depends on my look for the day, but usually I love very dramatic glam eyes. So the next palette I bought, of course, was the Huda Beauty Naughty palette, which I think this came out during the holidays a long time ago. I love dark eyeshadows. I love burgundies and stuff like that. Any fall tones, any dark eyeshadows, that's my vibe. But lately I've been wanting to try like some new things because I'm bored. I am so bored of everything. I want something new. I want something fresh. I want something dramatic. I want something attention seeking, attention catching. I want new, what's what's that Lady Gaga meme where it's like innovative, whatever. I'll put it here somewhere. You know what I mean.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference, put it in a blender, shit on it, vomit on it, eat it, give birth to it.
Whatever Lady Gaga said, I want. This is the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. I'm so excited. Had to pick this up. I love Natasha Denona. If you know me, I'm such a for Natasha Denona. She does the best products ever. I can't stress how much I love her formula. I love her artistry. She's just amazing. Another palette that I picked up from Natasha, of course, because you know I can never do one, so I had to do two. I picked up the Natasha Denona Trichrome palette, which I know duochromes are still in. I think Euphoria does have a lot to do with it, and then also too, like all these different styles are coming back. Like I love where makeup is going now. For a while I felt like it was stagnant. So this is the Trichrome palette. It has like very crazy colors. I wanted to pick up the Carnival palette, I think, but I just never could get my hands on it. And then I also really wanted to pick up the Pastel palette. So as soon as the Pastel palette goes in stock from Natasha Denona, I will be picking it up. That's already like what, 4 eyeshadow palettes that I picked up. Yeah, I'm such a for eyeshadow palettes. Dang, I really did buy a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I forgot what I bought, honestly. Okay, so the next 2 palettes that I bought are the Gemini palettes, and I know they did a relaunch bundle like recently, and I think they changed the packaging. I'm not sure if they changed the formula or anything like that, but this is the OG Gemini, which the packaging is stunning. It looks so pretty. I love the design. This is the Gemini palette. It's so pretty, very earthy tones. These are my ride or die shades. I will never get sick of fall shades. I will wear fall shades 24/7. Makes me so freaking happy. So I had to pick up this palette. It looks very grungy, very deep, very sexy in my opinion. Then I got its twin. I believe this is a new release. I don't know how new it is. Maybe it's a couple months that it was released, or like a month ago. I could not honestly tell you because I have not been consistently on social media in a long time, and that's how I usually kept up with like all these makeup launches and stuff, you know, all that FOMO from social media. So this is the Gemini 2. So it's its sister. This one's very like soft and romantic, and I do love the shades of green over here. I feel like the greens in this palette complement the other greens in the other palette really well. I feel like this is a really cohesive color scheme. I'm really excited to play with these. Melt Cosmetics has been catching my eye a lot lately, so that's why I picked up these 2 bad boys. Speaking of signs, like comment down your big 3 if you know your big 3, and if you don't know your big 3, comment down your main sun sign. I am a Scorpio, so you know what that means. A lot of fun. The next eyeshadow palette that I bought is the Appricot, the Major Dimension 2 eyeshadow palette. I played with this the other day. That's why there's fingerprints all over it. I love the packaging. I don't know if you noticed, but I kind of did pick up eyeshadows kind of in the same color scheme. I guess I've been feeling like pinks and mauves lately, like Naughty's pink. The Gemini 2 is pink, so I've just been vibing with these colors a lot. I did swatch these earlier, and oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. I can't wait to play with it more, honestly. So that's the Appricot palette. I could not get my hands on the first palette, but a lot of the workers were telling me that the second palette's better anyways, but you know me, I have to have the collection, so I'm gonna have to go and buy it. I lost count of what number eyeshadow palette we're on, so yeah, very exciting. Nothing but eyeshadow palettes right now. So the next eyeshadow palette that I bought is the McGrath Huetopian Dream, which this came out a while back. I love McGrath. McGrath is mother. She is amazing. I love her work. I love her artistry. I love her products. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to dip in this. This looks absolutely delicious. So I picked up a couple of other palettes from her. I could not resist. She comes up with some of the best formulas. Like, I love her products so much. Like, delicious. So the next palette that I picked up from Pat is the Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction, and I think I've been wanting this one for a long time. This is the Bronze Seduction. So pretty. It has a duochrome like white green shift in this bottom corner. These colors here are so stunning. These are my types of colors. Like, it's very fall-esque. So beautiful. Next Pat McGrath palette that I picked up is Midnight Sun, which of course reminds me of Twilight. This palette I believe is also like very fall-esque. So beautiful. I just love colors like these. This truly brings me so much happiness, like just looking at how beautiful this is. These palettes are very pricey, and I want to say they're worth it, but I haven't developed my own opinion. But according to other people's opinions, these are worth it if you're willing to invest your money in very expensive, luxurious makeup like this. It's so beautiful. Okay, so that is all the eyeshadow palettes that I picked up. 9 eyeshadow palettes. I think I hit a new personal record for myself. Dang, 9 eyeshadow palettes. That's how you know I have a mini problem. But I was in the makeup industry for a long time, so I can kind of justify it. Speaking of Mother, I actually got the eyeshadow stick, whatever this is called, IntensifEyes Artistry wand. So this is an eyeshadow primer kind of deal, and you just rub it on your eye and then pack the metallics on your eye, and it's supposed to make it stand out way more, make it a little bit more metallic, very intense. So the next product I picked up is the Sol de Janeiro body spray, and the reason why I picked this up was because summer's on the way. I love the way this smells. It smells so delicious. Like, it smells like summer, like tropical. Its scent is pistachio and salted caramel, which I can smell the pistachio and I smell a little bit of the caramel, but I get like other scents too. So like, this is very tropical to me, very like summer-esque, and this makes me feel happy. I just love the way it smells. I'm going to buy the perfume, body wash, shampoo, conditioner if they have that in stock. I also love the Bum Bum cream. It smells exactly like this. So if you know what the Bum Bum cream smells like, it's deliciousness. It makes me want to actually eat it. Highly recommend you pick this up if you love like summer, fruity, sweetish fragrances. This is perfect for the summer. So the next two things that I picked up are from Rare Beauty. It is this Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush in the shade Nearly Apricot. I love peachy tones for my skin tone in the summer. So this is really, really pretty. I already actually swatched this, and it's more of like a soft demi matte. I prefer dewy blushes, but I'm gonna play with this some more and see if I like it on the skin. So that's that blush. I've actually been obsessed with cream products for about 2 years now, and I'm so glad that they're finally trending on TikTok and on Instagram and stuff like that. But yeah, about 2 years back, I started using creams. I highly recommend cream products. Like, if you have not tried any cream products, definitely recommend. I honestly should do a video of my favorite cream products or my beauty routine with cream and liquids only and see what y'all think. Okay, so the next thing that I got from Rare Beauty is the Blot and Glow kit in translucent, and I know this has been everywhere. This isn't anything new or special, I guess. It comes with like blotting sheets and then like a little powder puff that has glow in it. This is for me for my touch-ups because I am combination oily, but I do love dewy makeup on me and cream, so I like to touch up throughout the day. So that is why I picked this up. And I can't remember what they were doing, but they gave me a gift for Rare Beauty. They gave me the spongy, and then they gave me this soft dewy liquid blush. I gotta try that out. And then they gave me a mascara. So the next thing I bought is the Patrick Ta face mist, and this is called She's Thirsty. And if you know me, you know I'm always thirsty. That's why I have water bottles right here. You can't see. That's a joke, guys. So I actually sprayed this in store, and it has like a very fine, soft, dewy mist. And it does have like a light scent. It smells like a very light hint of florals. It's not too strong. It's like barely even there and barely even noticeable. Wanted to find another dewy face mist because Our Solly had left Sephora and I kind of need a replacement. I'll still order the other one if I can get my hands on it, but in case I can't, I need something dewy. So I'm gonna try out a bunch of new dewy setting sprays to see if I can find my new holy grail. So the next product that I have is the Ilia Liquid Serum Highlighter. So I don't know if this is new or not, but I told the employees that I wanted like blinding dewy highlight. So this is the one that they recommended me, and I picked up the shade Nova. So I am obsessed with like liquids and creams right now, and that is so pretty. And I love that it's like literally a serum, so it like absorbs into the skin nice and pretty. I would probably use this on my no makeup days. So the last product that I picked up is a foundation, and not just any foundation. I picked up the Yummy Skin from Danessa Myricks. I am so obsessed with Danessa Myricks lately. I have like most of her like color fixes, and I think I have 2 of her bronzing balms and her liquid highlighters and stuff. I'm just gonna have to do like a full face of her products soon, but I'm so obsessed. This is a serum foundation. I picked up the shade 9N. This is very dewy, and I mean like dewy and full coverage. Like it says serum foundation on here, but I honestly don't feel like it feels like a serum foundation. When I think of serum foundation, I think of like a water-based formula, kind of like MAC Face and Body. So this is super duper full coverage. I did try it out the other day, and I will leave my opinions for my next video. But yeah, I'm so excited for this, guys. Like, Danessa Myricks is queen. I just love their artistry, like Pat McGrath, Natasha, Denona, Danessa Myricks. Like, those are brands that I highly, highly recommend. I think they're worth it. I'm kind of tired of mediocre brands or brands that are not artistry based. I like that the main heads of these cosmetic companies are makeup artists. They've worked runway, they have years of experience, they know formulas, they know textures, they know what looks good on all different skin types. So I highly suggest like artistry based brands versus like whatever's trending, because I just think they're better. You can't beat experience, in my opinion. Okay guys, so that concludes today's video, and for those that have been waiting around for me, I am back. Thank you for being so patient with me, and I hope to be putting out more content in the near future. Thank you all guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!